Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create a website for your finance and investment business on Dorable, easy and quick. First, search on Dorable like this. Now, as we know, Dorable is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information and information or services that are long lasting and withstand wear and tear over time. It's all about things that are strong and able to last for a while. So also, as we know, you can build the website in just 30 seconds with AI. And this is here we find the information about the website. AI website web builder that generates an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in with Google. Now create new business. Enter your business name and enter your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. So wait to generate this. So let's go to the first section. You can edit it from here. You can change the site name if you want. You can turn the logo on and upload the file from here. You can also turn the button on and change the label. You can add external link here. You can manage your social link settings here. And after this, before we click save here, you can add a channel. You can select a type. You can also add a link here. So this is it. After this, click save. And if you want to add a section, you can add it from here. You can just select any section here, and that's it. So let's go to the next section. You can edit it from here. You can change this. Just click regenerate, and it will be regenerated. Also the subtext, if you want to regenerate the subtext, just click regenerate, and it will be regenerated. Also here you will find the label if you want to change this. Also if you want to add external link, and that's it. After this, just click save and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is text and image. You can regenerate the text if you don't like it. You can also regenerate the image, and also here you can manage the image position, uh, and you can also change the label. You can add external link. So if you done from this, click save, and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this, click edit, and you can edit this. You can also manage display settings. You can turn this all on or off. You can manage your image and your icon, your heading, your content, and your button. You can also manage your list items, and you can add a list item. You can generate image. You can add a title or generate a title. You can generate a content here, and also you can add a label and add a link. So click save, and let's move on. So the next section is the testimonial section. You can add testimonial. You can generate a code here. You can also generate this. You can upload a file here. Now let's move on to the next section. After we click save, let's move on. The next section, this is the gallery section. You can change this. You can also generate images if you don't like this image. Also you can upload a file from here, upload the image from browser or from library, and also you can just choose any image from here. Let's see what we're gonna choose. I'm gonna choose this. So click save and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section. You can edit it from here. Now you can change this. You can also change your address. You can add a text file here. You can add a title, or you can add the content here. So let's move on to the next section. The next section here, you can edit it from here. You can regenerate the contact form. You can manage files here, and you can custom input labels. You can change name. You can add email, and you can change this. You can add a message here, and you can generate this. So click save and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the last section. Click here, edit, and here you can change the business name just from here. You can also turn this on and upload a file from here. You can add the additional details, and if you want you can also turn this on and add a label or add a link. So I'm gonna turn this off and let's save this. So before we end this editing, if you want to regenerate the content of any section, just click on regenerate and click content and this will be regenerated. So also if you want to regenerate the style, click on it and it will be regenerated. Also if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, just click entire section and it will be regenerated. Also if you want to duplicate the section, just click on it and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete, you can delete it from here. Now if you want to move it up, if you want to move it down, so that's it. And after this click save. Now you can create your website easy. Just click here and you're gonna create the website. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.